1984 barbecue here. John is my name. Tonight we're going to be making seafood enchiladas. Sounds epic. Stay tuned. What I've done here is I put 2 tablespoons of butter in there. And now we're going to add our onion and our garlic. Okay. I will list all the amounts in the description box below. But I have a half a cup of onion. Oh, let me show you. I have a half a cup of onion, and I have 2 cloves of minced garlic. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get this onion on in there. Forgive me, my dog is whining because the other dog's outside. So please forgive me for that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this in there. And I got this in there. Oh, this is over medium high, so we're gonna let this cook in here for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, we're gonna let this go for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll bring you back when we get to the next. And for 3 to 4 minutes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of flour. So that's a half. It's 2. There's 1. So there's that. And that's 2 tablespoons. Alright, that's 3 tablespoons of flour. Okay. Now we're going to mix that in there until it incorporates with the butter. Okay, so all the flour incorporates with the butter. Okay, I hope y'all can see that. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to add in 1 3/4 cup of chicken broth. Okay, I've got, I believe it's reduced sodium. So 1 cup. There's the chicken broth. And then it says 3/4 of a cup. Forgive me again for my dog. Alright, there's that. We'll give us a quick little stir here. Again, I got this over a medium-high heat. Okay. Now what we're going to add in here is we're going to add in 8 ounces of sour cream. Alright, so I'll get my spoon out here. I bought a 16-ounce container of sour cream, so I'm just going to do about half the container. Or roughly about half the container. Right there. That should be it right there. That's good enough on the sour cream. Again, I'll leave the link to the recipe below in the description box. Alright, so we're going to keep stirring this until it starts to thicken up and get smooth. At that point, I'll bring you back and we'll go to the next step. Real quick, guys, I failed to mention this to you, but we're going to heat this to a boil. And we're going to cook it about 2 minutes, and then we're going to constantly stir this until it's thickened, and then we're going to remove from the heat, and we'll add our next 2 ingredients. Okay, I just want to make sure I told you all that. Be right back. All right, here we go, guys. All right, so we're going to add in 1 cup of cheese. So please forgive me, my dog just won't be quiet. So I got the cheese mixed in, stirring it like so. Alright, now we're going to add in a 4.5 ounce of chopped green chilies. So I'm just going to get those in there like so. We're going to stir those into our mixture here as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. Nice and thick and smooth. Smells really good, guys, I promise. What we're going to do here is we're going to add in our main ingredients here, okay? Alright, so here we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, in a medium bowl, which isn't really necessarily a medium bowl, we're going to place 1 cup of cheese in here. So, that's That's about 1 cup of cheese. Okay, maybe a little more. We got that in there. Now we're going to add in crab meat and our shrimp. Alright, so there's our crab meat and our shrimp. Now this is imitation crab meat, guys, because I couldn't find the exact crab meat they wanted, but this was as close as I could get. And of course I got our shrimp. So we're just going to pour that all in there. The crab meat was 3 cans of 6 ounces of meat in each can. Alright, but like I said, I didn't have that, so I went with just imitation crab meat, and that's what we're going to use for this. Now, with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up here. All right. Now my oven's preheating at 350 degrees because we're going to do this in the oven tonight. We get this mixed up real quick, and when we come back, we'll be ready to put this enchiladas together. Okay. And this over here, I put 1 cup of our sauce, and just kind of at the bottom of this pan here to keep them sticking. Okay, that's what I've done there. All right, then there's our tortilla, and there's our mixture of crab and shrimp and cheese. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to get 1/2 cup of the seafood mixture into our tortilla. Okay, so we're going to get this here. We're going to put that in there. Just about a 1/2 cup, might be a cup. You know, we're just going to kind of lay this mixture in there like so. Kind of just make it a nice little even thing. Alright. Now let me bring y'all a little closer so you can see. Okay. There we go. Alright. So here's what I've done. I got everything kind of mixed up. Now I'm going to fold it over like this. And I'm going to fold it over like that. And it's the seam side down, so I'm just going to lay it in there just like that. Okay, so there's that. Let me do one more to show you real fast. Take our mixture here and just kind of stir this around. I'm going to take it, we're just going to put it in our cup there. Alright, like so. Alright, so we're going to take this, we're going to spread this down the center of our enchilada there. Alright, my oven is ready. Try to make these as tight as you can, guys, so nothing really falls out. Alright, I'm going to lay that right there, like so. Alright, I'm going to continue to get the rest of these done, and we'll be right back. Enchiladas made up. I was able to squeeze, there's a 6 in here. This dish can make up to 8, but I guess it's just the amount of shells, but I managed to get 6 nicely in here. Okay, so with that being said, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our sauce here, our remaining sauce, and we're just going to pour this over our enchiladas. Okay, so we're just going to take this and just pour it over our enchiladas here, like so. Man, this smells good already, guys. I'm telling you. It smells good already. Just going to kind of even this out a little bit. Alright, guys. So we got our enchiladas covered up. We're going to put this with aluminum foil over it. We're going to cover this with aluminum foil. We're going to put this in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Next time you see this, it'll be done. It will be ready. Avocado topping. Okay. So what I've done here is I've taken 1 ripe peeled avocado, took the little thing out, kind of roughly chopped it up right here. Okay, we're just going to slide this into the bowl like so. Alright, then we're going to take some cilantro, 3 tablespoons of cilantro here. Kind of mix that in there. We're going to take 1 ripe Roma tomato, small plum. Okay, I just did a rough chop on it, 1/3 cup. Throw that in there like so. And now we're going to add some lime juice to it. It's just 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I'm just going to kind of, well, actually I'm not going to eyeball that. Alright. There's one. Use that a little bit more. There's two. Alright. Now I'm just going to kind of give this a little bit of a stir. I'm not looking to crush anything, just kind of give it a nice little stir through here. Let these kind of incorporate themselves in. Make a nice vibrant color. Like so. Alright guys, got that mixed in there. Look at that, nice color. Alright, we're going to put this in the refrigerator while our enchiladas cook. Let's taste test time. Before we do that, let's review a little bit what we did. We made seafood enchiladas. We took crab meat, we took shrimp, and we took cheese, mixed it all together. We made our sauce, which was 2 tablespoons of butter, minced garlic, onions. Brought that all together, added 3 tablespoons of flour, mixed that all together, 8 ounces of sour cream. Mixed that together, brought it to a boil, let it thicken up. We added our chilies and 1 cup of cheese, made our sauce. Got it all put together, and bam. Let's look at this. Boom. There it is. Our seafood enchilada, okay? Let's get a bite of this here now. Alright, let's get a little bit of that avocado and get a little bit of shrimp here. There's a little shrimp right there. I made it. Alright guys, got a nice bite. Wait for another one here. Guys, that is really good. Taste the crab, taste the shrimp, the sauce. It's really good, guys. Give it a shot. I'll leave the recipe down below in the description box. Also, I'll put on my associated social media links down below as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're new to 1984 barbecue, think about hitting that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to let you know when I release new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. Appreciate you guys' support. Anyways, guys, it's been fun. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.